Can a virtual assistant replace a full-time job or an OFW position? That is the question that we are going to answer today. Hi there, this is Connie and I'm here to help you get your time freedom back. So if you're new here, this channel is all about the virtual assistant industry, and if this is something that resonates with you, consider subscribing and make sure to hit the bell button for notifications. And feel free to browse the channel as well to learn more about the virtual assistant industry. Now, to answer the question if a VA business can replace a full-time job or an OFW position, I can answer to you right away that it is a yes answer. However, it requires some hard work and commitment. Most Filipinos consider getting a job outside of the country because of the rate of their salaries. And it's normal because not all of the OFWs or the overseas Filipino workers are a college graduate, which is a common requirement here in our country. So, the good thing is that you can actually earn dollars in the comfort of your own home. But it doesn't mean that we don't have to do anything about it. To answer the question if a virtual assistant business can replace a full-time position, even if it's local or international, the answer is yes. But it requires hard work and commitment. At the start, we are not able to meet a certain amount first. But the thing is, you have to determine your income goal so that when you do your VA business, when you build your virtual assistant business, you know how to reach those numbers. You know how many people are you trying to reach out and offer your business. Now, there is a video playlist here in my channel about finding your ideal clients that I will include them in the description below as well. So feel free to watch those videos after this. Before you switch to becoming a full-time virtual assistant, make sure that you have set your mind right and you are ready for the hard work and the commitment that you are going to do. Should you want to go home and be with your family, you can always do that. You just have to apply the necessary steps in order to have regular income, regular clients with the ideal clients and industry that you are trying to work with. This can only happen if you have the type of character, because everything starts with zero. But I tell you now that you should not quit if this is really something that you can do for you and your family. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do so, consider liking this video. And I want to know more about you. If you are decided to do your VA business, what would you like to do first? Share them in the comment section below. And I look forward to talking with you soon.